I got one more story. Stocks of interest. Grubhub. I'm going to go through these quick. Grubhub stock rises on a confirmation of Just Eat takeaway combat deal. So Grubhub was getting bought by Uber. That fell through. Grubhub is now, who the heck is JustEatTakeaway.com? I don't even know who they are. But whoever they are, they're buying them. And everybody's going, yay! That's what everybody's doing. Everybody's going, they're gasping, and then they're giggling. That's exactly. All right, so that's a big move. That's the stock that caught my attention. Tesla. Man, Tesla stock surges past $1,000 on Elon Musk's push for Tesla Semi. Listen, am I the only one that thinks that truck is ugly? Did you see the other truck they got going on? What is it look like an armadillo truck? That's an ugly truck. But listen, I'm not the one that's got to buy it, but I don't think the Semi looks all that good. But they're really pushing. Remember, how about an electric freight truck? That would be kind of cool. Less gas. You know how many? Have you ever seen a Semi fill up at a gas station? They sit there for about 11 hours just filling up with gas. They got one side of the tank to fill up, and then they got another tank to fill up. Man, there's a lot of gas. There's a lot of gas. And Hertz, there it is. Hertz stock gives back more than half of the post-bankruptcy surge after they got delisted, baby. All right, so Clayton was talking about that as one of the stocks that's in Robinhood. Car rental company will appeal delisting. How are you going to appeal delisting? You filed for bankruptcy. If the New York Stock Exchange is saying, listen, you don't meet the criteria to be a stock in our listing, how are you going to fight that? I don't know. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. You know, and I think that the New York Stock Exchange is going to do this. They're going to knock them out. They're going to say, Mama said knock you out. They're going to knock them out because I don't think they got a leg to stand on. But that's just my opinion. That's just my opinion. If you file for bankruptcy, I think the New York Stock Exchange has the ability to take you off. But again, that's what I think. And last but not least, how banks will deal with the coronavirus aftermath. Is bank failure imminent? I think that this is a souped up, hyped up story to scare the hell out of everybody. I don't think that I think that we're at a point where some of these banks are just too big to fail. I still think so. But I think that is bank failure imminent? I think that that's a hype thing. All right, so let's go to my last few stocks in here. Oh, where am I? Trending Thursday, 6/11. Here's my stocks of interest. All right, what are they? Grubhub. All right, let's go find Grubhub. Tesla's another one. Let's go find Hertz. Where's that at? And let's go find banks. What was I using for banks? I was using Bank of America for banks. Real quick. Tesla, way overvalued. Upside potential, safety, little better, really moving up. Grubhub, way overvalued. Upside potential, nope. Safety, nope. What's moving up? News. All right, did he get bought by somebody else? News is driving them up. How about the earnings growth rate is negative 9%? Bank of America, 23, fairly valued. Upside potential, nope. Safe, relative timing, growing their earnings at a negative rate of 3%. Hertz, what do you got to say about Hertz? It's undervalued. Yay! Upside potential. Okay. Safety. Nope. And what's it doing right now? It's going down in price. I don't know what was the craze over buying Hertz. You see where the RT is? The RT is weight in bear territory right there. All right. And I think that a lot of people, that was an aggressive. I think for the most part, for anybody who made money on it, that was a lucky play. Do you agree with that, Clay?
Oh, absolutely.
I think that there was nothing good about Hertz that said it was okay to buy it. And the stock claimed bankruptcy. Listen, I'm just putting it out there. I'm letting the software do its job. Let's go graph them real quick. Let's go take a look. Hertz. Nope. What does Hertz look like? Like they dropped a bomb on it. All right, look at that earnings per share. Remember, earnings is the engine that drives the stock's price higher. This was, as Clayton was talking about, those are those new people. man, Hertz is low. Let's go buy stock. Yay! And then it says, oh no, Mr. Bill. And it fall down, go boom. All right, there you go. That's tough. That's tough. I think that was a lot of the luck of the Irish. Top of the morning to you, Charlie. Yeah, you gonna buy Hertz? Sure, we're gonna go to the pot of gold. Yeah, it was that kind of play on that today. Joey, you didn't laugh. That was funny. It was funny. Clayton, was that funny?
Hey, man, that was hilarious.
There you go. Joe has no creativity in him at all. All right, let's go to the next one. Bank of America. Interest rates are low. Banks are going to get, I think, are going to get hurt a little bit. Here was the Fed yesterday talking, and this is today. Relative timing is going down. Earnings on Bank of America is going down. Be careful with the banking stocks with the current market condition. This Grubhub, this is news-driven. This is straight up news-driven that they're getting bought. RT is still above 1 and very nicely above 1. Earnings is not there, but the price is above the 20-day exponential moving average and moving higher. Clayton, do you want to add anything to any of these 4 stocks that I put up here? These are my stocks of interest. Every week, I find what stocks catch my attention.
Glenn, man, I think you hit it. You covered everything, man.
All right. Well, VV Nation, we're getting ready to let Clayton go. Step up.
How can they get a hold of Clayton?
Clayton, how they can get a hold of? I don't know how you get a hold of you. You tell these folks how to get a hold of you.
Man, I don't even know how to get a hold of me. I can't even get a hold of me half the time. Come on now.
Well, you want to share your email? Yes or no?
Oh, I mean, yeah. If they wanna email me at clayton.debird@vectorvest.com, that's fine. But, Glenn, they know you. Maybe they get a hold of you, and then you get a hold of me. I mean, this is your audience we're talking to here, right?
This is but it's going to be your audience too. This is VectorVest. That's right, Mark. This is VV Nation here, but yeah, they're going to be part of your people too. You know, and they're going to send people your direction. People, especially who are brand new subscriber, brand new investors in the market. VV Nation is going to start to send them to you so that they can catch. Clayton should charge $1,000 an hour for advice, not including tax. Really, David?
Well,
really, David?
Yeah, Glenn, I think I've been on here with you for, an hour and a half now?
Yeah.
So, what does that come up to, about $1,500?
About $1,500.
I'll send you the bill later. I got your email.
All right.
Checks in the mail.
The checks in. So you see his name up there.
There we go, Joey.
Is it Clayton.deberti@vectorvest.com?
Yeah.
All right, so
I've never emailed myself. I think that's what it is. So we'll find out.
All right, and I want you guys to look at him. I want you guys to support him, and I want you to comment on today's episode as well. How about this? How about Jay Hall says, "Hey Clayton, I'm in Akron. Did you see that?"
No, I didn't see it.
All right, well, there's somebody saying that they're in Akron, so we got some people. Got some people that's near you. I see Laura says, I'm too new. Not sure I understand much, but going to keep learning. Thanks for your help, Glenn and Clay. There you go. So look at that, Clay. You got a positive effect on people already. So, you know, before we go, again, I want you guys to support Clayton. He's going to be an integral part of what we do here on YouTube. He's going to take the world by storm. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, folks. All right, I ain't done yet. I know we're running. Joey took bets on how long we were going to be today. I'm not done yet. As we let Clayton go, we're going to start to look at some of your stocks as well. So we're gonna do that. But Clayton, a lot of people are saying they appreciate what you did here today.
Well, thank you so much, guys.
And I appreciate you here being with me today. I wanted you to show these people what you were all about because I believe in you 11,000%. I want them to know that I believe in you and that I support you because I want them to support you.
Well, thank you so much.
11,000%. So
yeah, thank you. I mean, you make it easy. We'll just put it that way.
Well, I'm a little unorthodox. That's an easy thing for me to say is I am a little unorthodox, but I wouldn't have me any other way.
Absolutely, and I wouldn't either.
All right. So again, thank you for being here, my friend. I look forward to having you on board again for another presentation at some point in time. We'll talk about that. I think you did an outstanding job today, and I think you're going to do an outstanding job on YouTube, bro. So
Thank you so much,
again,
Glenn.
I want you guys to support him. And as we're letting him go, we're going to go through VV Nation stocks today, and we're going to take it. So have a good day, my friend.
Thank you so much, Glenn. Hope you guys all have a great day as well.
You got
Bye.
it, man. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.